Hi guys, good morning. We'll start the session quickly. So we'll continue with the Spark streaming, structure streaming, what I have explained. So yesterday we are facing some issues in Windows environment to send the socket messages. So we'll try the same thing in a Ubuntu machine. So let me share the screen. So meanwhile, you can also do the same thing on your local if you have a Ubuntu machine. So you don't need to, for this purpose, you don't need to spin up any cluster. So we just don't have any other machine. So we just spinning up a EMR already. So once we have this EMR, I can connect to the shell like. So this structure streaming you can try it in your local also. I just wanted to tell you that. So if you already have this Ubuntu OS, you can just see connect to them and just try NC space minus LK space double N. So it will connect to connected to the netcat, and you can type whatever messages or contents. So what our program is actually doing, we are actually reading that particular stream from that port double nine, and then it will convert into a data frame. So once we have data frame, we got the data frames, then we can use a structured streaming. We can process that data according to the requirement, whatever requirement we have. So let me just connect to the CMR For that time opening putty and paste the host machine and also saving here. Then go to SSH, click on authentication, and then browse the private key. So private key is already here. Select and then open it. So I will connect to this email. So let me try to launch the PySpark. Hopefully it will be able to launch. So meanwhile, I have a program yesterday I have created, right? So this one, I'll just simply try to run it from here. So I'm just copy pasting and importing, explode, importing split functions. Then Spark session is already there in the shell, so we don't need to create. So I'm reading a data frame from this particular local host, and host name is local host and port is 9999. So before that, I just wanted to create a duplicate session for that, and just yeah. Host name. So this is a host name for this machine. Okay. So I'm just copying it and putting it here. Okay. So before writing the code, I am open a new session here and then C minus LT. So we can enter the messages. So I am trying to read that data from the socket. There is a warning: the socket source should not be used for the production applications. Let's split and explode. Then do the group by based on widths. Then write this data frame into string. Let me just check host. Showing unknown host. So I need to correct it. Steps. It's not fully started. It's still installing some applications. But host name, I think I need to here com. Just exit it from here. So now you can see this. If you look at the screen, I executing this program. I opened a new another window and connected to the Netcat. I am typing the messages here. So if you look at this streaming window, PySpark window, just keep on executing this batch micro batches and in every frequency, and whatever messages I'm typing, just keep on adding into that stream. So if I type it hello again, good. Hello become 2. That good is not yet processed. So in the next iteration, it will start processing the good also. So the good count will increase to 3. Hello to morning. So accordingly, how much messages you are actually processing. Let's keep on adding this and process the data. Like there were some spaces, that's why it's showing blank. See, you can the same way you can just try it on your local machine. The only thing is, if you have an Ubuntu OS, then you can directly launch PySpark in one window and Netcat in another window. So it's just a demonstration of how a streaming application works. So whatever the messages we are actually streamed, we can read using a Spark for some Spark streaming functionality, and we can read that structured data into a data frame and then write that streams into a console, or you can write this into a data file also. In case suppose if you want to write this, I'm just exiting from here. Okay, let me exit from get also. So now my aim is. So now instead of sending the messages to the output stream, instead of that, I can also print this file into a store in your local. Store in local means the AWS machine I have, right? Similarly, in your local machine also you can store. So what is the change you need to make here is the code. So we are doing and everything, grouping it, and instead of writing the stream to this output on the console, you can give an option of writing to a local file as a CSV or a text file or Parquet or ORC. So according to your requirement. So let's see. Let's do something like that. So I will just copy this again. So wait count is a data frame, so we don't need to make any change. Write stream is fine. Output mode is complete, and format we have to mention it as a CSV or text file or whatever. And similarly, we have to give the location also. One second, I'll be back. Please hold on. Okay. So our idea is to write this output to local or HDFS in a CSV format. Assume that. So this should be something like a right. So we already have seen something like this. Write to a CSV output like this. For example, uh, format. We have to give CSV and save. You have to give the location. So just example is something like it show. Give format as CSV and option hierarchical true, and then mode you can either give overwrite or append. So append is means it will append them to the existing file, or if it is overwrite, it will complete overwrite the data on the existing file. And save, you have to give your location. So here I'm just copying it for the time being. I'm already recording it. So no, don't worry. It's already in recording session. So in case if you stuck somewhere, just stop me. Okay. Otherwise, I will not be. Won't be knowing whatever you are actually thinking. Just in case in between, anytime if you stuck or something or confused, we can just stop there and we'll discuss more about that. So I just wanted to into CSV format, CSV dot option we can give heading to. So the location in this particular machine will be just keep just got and near start not responding. Okay, we'll reconnect it. Okay. So if you kept it idle for some time, it will automatically disconnect. So you have to do something on this session. Input this, input T. If you just kept it idle for some time, it will automatically goes out. This me open a duplicate session also. So here the location is actually home Hadoop. So I am selecting home Hadoop here, and file.csv. I just give a name. So I'm opening again nc-lk. And here I am connecting to Spicemark. Copy this one. We'll copy the entire content. This data frame dot write stream complete format option say let me set and experience. Make it here. So save. Save method is not next. So I'm just checking that particular method for the stream object to write the file into CSV. If it is a D stream, we can directly write it. Structured streaming, just checking. So file sync is something like store the output a directory, stream, whatever the stream, object dot restream dot format, and option should give this. I think we can try with this option. So what I need to do here is letting you and letting you path here. Scots work here. The data frame here is having some issues. Stream. Style other format. Wait, let me just not overwrite. Writing. Let's see, there is some option. We're supposed to write this to location. I'm not sure that what kind of issues coming here. You just need to give the right stream dot format, then option the path, and if you want to give header true and all, and then just give start. Then you should be able to write the data. It's giving some weird error here. I'm not sure exactly what is happening here. So we are creating, we have a data frame word count and then write stream, then format